Hello, welcome to How to Draw Celtic Patterns. I'm your host, Jason Bellchamber. Now we're going to get down to drawing that small Triskele variant near the bottom two circle bosses on the Aberlemno II Kirkyard Cross slab, and it comes from the westerly side. Okay, so you're going to need a straight edge of any kind, a good HB or B or 2B pencil, nice eraser, and I want to use a 0.3 and a 0.7 pigment liner. I prefer to use Staedtler instruments, and just because they're really good quality. Okay, so what you're going to do is lay down your grid. I'm going to draw it in an alternating pattern, so just draw the top and bottom so you've got a straight line like this. If you've got a ruler, just do the top and the bottom, and then start drawing a grid with it. It's usually a nice big space. A good HB or B or 100 pencil is much easier to erase because we're going to draw the spine of this Triskele variant. Alright, next put your pen down, or your pencil, and start making a sawtooth pattern. Great. Next, what I want you to do is just loosely mark this vertical line in each section. Just mark the thirds. Doing it like this rather than taking the time to measure it kind of makes it look more natural, and that's the one thing about carved patterns from antiquity, is that they look natural because they were done by hand. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to start to draw the variant. The spine of the design, instead of being like this, it's kind of a variant of this. You're going to draw that pattern. Have this come up and mark it on the other side. Okay. Actually, I'm going to erase this because I want it to be more symmetrical. You want it to intersect at the same point. Alright, so I'll do another one over here. Like that. Alright. Now, in these two spots here, you're going to be drawing this upside down. It'd be easier for you if you rotated this and drew it, but I'm going to just demonstrate it like this so it's easier for you to watch. Now this pattern, you can see it's reversed, but instead of connecting this with this line, this one comes down and goes back up. Same with this. It comes down and then changes direction right at your vertical line, here and here. So you want to follow the contour here and try and make it as evenly spaced as possible, because you want your ribbon of your interlace to look the same thickness all the way out, because it's very pleasing to the eye. This comes up here. one connects there, and this one comes down. You notice that these are at the same spot, and there's a triangle inside here too. So you want to get a nice degree of symmetry so it looks pleasing. I'll separate this just a little bit. Great. And yeah, let's do one more. So I'll try to make a mirror image of that. It almost looks like a little butterfly or angel. Great. Okay. In the next segment, I'm going to show you how to start to draw the interlace.